Hey guys, it's me Monica. Today we're going to be making some slime. So, this is, I already accidentally added in the glue, because I already thought I was making a video, but that did not work out very well. So, because I accidentally took a picture, but, show you all the glue. It's in here. So now I'm going to add my food coloring. Sorry if it's getting dark on y'all. The tablet's like on 1%. So I'm going to add some yellow because I've actually never had yellow slime. Wait, no, I have. It's just wait. Sorry if y'all can see the TV in the back corner. Try to block it off. But open up. There we go. So I'm gonna make it like a dark yellow. Not too dark though. So I added in food coloring. It's in this liquid and it synced in. You couldn't see it, but I'm going to mix it in to make some yellow slime. Looks like egg yolk. Wow. Gosh, it's so hard to mix this because, you know, it has like the middle part of it. So, I've always tried soap slimes, they never work. The alum one, it kind of worked, but then after like a lot of days, like it got really liquidy, so it didn't work. Yeah, that's Henry Danger. I don't know why. I was bored, so I decided to watch something. So I'm trying to get this corner with it. There's like a lot of food coloring. This is the gel food coloring, so that's why it's like taking a long time. I think this is good enough because when I added like a lot of water. Sorry, my hand's in the way. There. This is what it looks like. Yellow. Sorry if it just went dark. But my hand's like in the camera. That's the problem. Oh my gosh. Stay there. Okay. Did the cap fall? Yes, it did. Hold on. So this is actually my first YouTube video, and now I think I'm gonna add the detergent. So yeah, I wish I had more glitter. This is actually one of the slimes that has like a lot of glitter. Let me go show you. So here is a lot of glitter, as you can see. And so here, this is the really glittery one. It's a lot of glitter. Y'all can see, there we go. Looks like putty. It's not that stretchy because of all of the glitter. Really shimmery and shiny. But now I'm actually gonna go get the detergent so I can. No, it's not borax, because if you use borax, it's gonna burn your hands. I think it's gonna make them red. So I'm gonna grab the detergent. So you pour again. You can use Tide too, but I just like ran out of my Tide. So I'm gonna pour some in. I hope it doesn't turn it like a different color. So I'm just mixing it. Only part of it's turning into slime right now. So I'm gonna grab some more. There we go. Oh my god. So it's coming together now. You kind of see it. It's still a little sticky. So it's like one of those yellow green crayons. Oh my gosh, this is already like 7 minutes long.